Today, there are multiple options for investors looking to expand their portfolios and experimenting with newer currencies on the crypto marketplace, which offers a different approach to the entire concept of virtual currencies. If so, Ripple's XRP is the one for them. But Ripple and XRP? What's the difference? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what XRP is, so be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Cryptocurrency is a fast-moving space with new technologies and names arising daily. It has gained notoriety for its unique founding, structure, and operations. One of the space's largest and most polarizing subjects is Ripple XRP, a private company-founded platform and cryptocurrency launched in 2012. But when people think of Ripple, they may immediately think of the XRP cryptocurrency. However, Ripple's business, technology, and ecosystem are not entirely synonymous with XRP, although Ripple harnesses the XRP coin for specific uses within its ecosystem. Ripple is a private enterprise software company. The company was the founder and creator of the Ripple protocol. This open-source protocol includes the Ripple Consensus Ledger and RippleNet, a suite of payment solutions products marketed to banks, non-financial institutions, and digital currency exchanges. The RCL uses distributed ledger technology to support the transfer of tokens representing fiat currency, cryptocurrency, or any other unit of value. The protocol is completely open, meaning anyone can access it without prior approval from Ripple. It allows banks and non-bank actors to incorporate the protocol into their own systems, thus separating it from Ripple, the company. Network participants validate the transactions by consensus. Created in 2012 by McCaleb and Larsen, Ripple is perhaps better known for its open-source, peer-to-peer decentralized platform, RippleNet, which enables money to be transferred globally in any fiat or cryptocurrency denomination between financial institutions. XRP is the currency issued and managed by Ripple. Ripple began selling XRP in 2012 to fund company operations, allowing its users to buy cryptocurrency, though it has taken a backseat to its primary objective of developing RippleNet. Throughout Ripple's lifespan, leadership has reframed how XRP fits into its business model, initially proclaiming it as the fuel on which its borderless payments technology runs, and later as a more efficient medium of exchange than Bitcoin. XRP tokens represent the transfer of value across the Ripple network, and can be traded on the open cryptocurrency market by anyone. Unlike Bitcoin's popular store of value narrative use case, XRP is primarily used for payments and borderless currency exchange. While Ripple's centralized infrastructure concerns some in the cryptocurrency space, its fast transaction speeds, low transaction costs, and low energy usage provide superior performance as a medium of exchange compared to many blockchain-based cryptocurrencies. Ripple's primary goal is providing borderless payments and currency exchange gateway for financial institutions. Its native cryptocurrency XRP has taken on a life of its own and is actively traded and analyzed by investors. With high-ranking metrics such as fast and inexpensive transactions, some investors argue XRP is a solid competitor to large cryptocurrency blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Conversely, Ripple XRP's centralization has been a major philosophical and security concern for others, including U.S. regulatory bodies. XRP usually acts as a bridge between one currency to the other, as it does not discriminate between fiat digital currency, making the entire process much more manageable. Ripple is a virtual asset that derives its strength using blockchain technology, just like many other cryptocurrencies in the market. As most of you are already aware, many blockchain platforms often tend to obtain their consensus with the help of either proof-of-stake or to use the proof-of-work mechanism. The proof-of-stake system is faster and cheaper than the proof-of-work mechanism, which is the other way around. However, XRP Ledger, on the other hand, uses an entirely different form of consensus, known as the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm. Ripple has received nearly 7 years of stability because of the consensus system they are using, enabling the developers to expand the product range of its ecosystem as a result. In December 2020, regulatory uncertainties surfaced regarding Ripple. According to a complaint made by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, Ripple sold XRP to investors in the US and the global public as part of an unregistered securities sale that garnered over $1.3 billion. Since the cryptocurrency industry is new compared with traditional finance, the regulatory status of crypto assets has surfaced as a topic of discussion over the years. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission has expressed a view of Bitcoin and Ethereum as commodities, although classification has been foggier for other digital assets. As per the SEC's movement against Ripple, the Commission alleged XRP to be a security, which would fall under the SEC's jurisdiction. A petition came forward from a group of people that bought XRP, citing arguments for XRP's classification as something other than a security, although holes exist in the petition's rationale. Ripple has argued that the SEC's action came too long after the creation of XRP, and that other U.S. government agencies have given XRP a classification other than that of security. The XRP price dropped from 60 cents at the end of November 2020 to a low of $0.1748 in December 2020 when the SEC filed the lawsuit. The price then spiked to an intraday high of $1.96 on 14 April as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies rallied. That was XRP's highest level since the previous cryptocurrency rally in January 2018, when it soared to an all-time high of $3.84. The XRP price fell back in May as cryptocurrency markets crashed, dropping to 51 cents on 22 June, its lowest level since 25 March. The price approached that level again on 20 July, trading down to 52 cents as cryptocurrency markets bottomed out. XRP trended higher over the rest of the summer to reach $1.41 on 6 September, with Bitcoin and other cryptos also moving higher over that period. Cryptocurrency prices fell in late September, although they have subsequently rebounded. XRP traded up to $1.23 on 10 October and has since rested in the $1 to $1.25 range. XRP started December at the dollar mark, falling from a 2-month high of $1.35 reached on 10 November. The price fell as low as $0.6145 on 4 December as the broader cryptocurrency markets retreated from early November highs. While the lawsuit progresses, Ripple Labs continues to work with payments companies to launch financial products and services using the Ripple blockchain and XRP. It's working with governments in several developing countries to introduce central bank digital currencies and cross-border remittance services. There is potential for the XRP price to rise if the court rules in its favor in the SEC lawsuit. However, if the SEC is successful, the price could drop. It's also important to keep in mind that many other factors could affect the XRP performance, such as Ripple's partnerships, the XRP adoption rate, and broader crypto market sentiment. The technical analysis from Coin Codex was neutral at the time of writing on 16 December. 13 indicators were given off bullish signals compared with 16 bearish signals. Coin Codex's short-term prognosis for XRP was bearish, predicting that the price could increase to $0.857 by 21 December. According to its technical analysis, the Economic Forecast Agency expects Ripple to reach a maximum price of 58 cents in January 2022 and hit a yearly low of 35 cents in August. At the end of 2022, XRP could hit a price of 52 cents. That's 27 cents lower than its current price and miles behind its all-time high of $3.84 from the 4th of January 2018. This is a somewhat concerning price prediction for XRP in 2022. Still, it's worth noting that the Economic Forecast Agency is one of the most conservative forecasters around, so that it may be too cautious. According to the top price forecasts, the price of Ripple XRP will likely spend much of 2022 ranging between $1 and $2 for much of the year. Ripple is not likely to reach $3 nor reach a new ATH in 2022. However, it is unlikely to experience a rapid decline or be valued below $1. Though Ripple's legal blow has impacted XRP, XRP is an independent token that can and does function somewhat outside of Ripple's business model. To some, the crash in price and soured fundamental outlook may not paint a bright picture of XRP as an investment. Whether XRP recovers and continues to evolve with the rest of the crypto herd remains to be seen. Still, as investors look for value in undervalued assets, it doesn't hurt to do further research and form an educated conclusion. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the XRP token? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.